Welcome to Cash Chronicles, your ultimate resource for uncovering diverse financial opportunities. In this episode, we're diving into a world where your typing skills can turn into cash. Whether you're a seasoned transcriptionist or just want to explore this lucrative avenue, we've got a lineup of websites that can transform your keystrokes into a consistent source of income. If you're ready to embark on this money-making journey, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. Drop a comment to share your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful ways to maximize your income. Now, let's delve into these remarkable transcription platforms that can boost your earnings. The first one on our list is Transcribe.me. It is a transcription platform where individuals can convert their typing skills into a steady source of income. The initial step involves creating an account, which is a simple and cost-free process. Once registered, you can start selecting transcription jobs that align with your skills and interests. Transcribe.me offers flexibility, allowing you to choose when and how much you work, making it an excellent option for those looking for part-time or remote earning opportunities. The earnings vary depending on the complexity and length of the transcription tasks. For beginners, the entry-level pay ranges from $15 to $22 per audio hour, and experienced transcriptionists can earn up to $30 per audio hour or more. The platform provides regular payouts, and many transcriptionists find Transcribe.me to be a reliable way to supplement their income. Next, you probably heard of this, but it's so good that we highly recommend this again. Rev.com is another well-established transcription platform that connects individuals with transcription jobs. To get started, you need to create an account on their website. Rev.com stands out for the diversity of content types available, including general transcription, captioning, and foreign subtitles. It is open to transcriptionists worldwide, and there are no specific eligibility requirements beyond adherence to content guidelines. Your earnings on Rev.com are influenced by the type and difficulty of the tasks you complete. General transcription tasks pay between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, while captioning tasks range from 54 cents to $1.10 per video minute. Foreign subtitles may yield up to $7 per video minute. The platform is known for its regular payouts and transparent payment structure, making it a popular choice for transcriptionists. Last on our list is the GoTranscript. It is a platform that enables individuals to earn money through transcription work. To get started, you need to register and create an account. The platform offers a range of transcription services, including general transcription, video subtitling, and translation. GoTranscript welcomes contributors from around the world and doesn't have strict eligibility criteria. The potential earnings depend on the type of transcription work and its complexity. General transcription pays around 60 cents per audio minute. Video subtitling ranges from $1.50 to $3 per audio minute, and translation tasks offer up to 6 cents per word. GoTranscript ensures regular payouts with a weekly payment cycle. It is an excellent platform for transcriptionists seeking flexibility and an array of transcription-related tasks to choose from. In summary, Transcribe.me, Rev.com, and GoTranscript offer individuals the opportunity to earn money by using their transcription skills. These platforms allow for easy account creation, flexible work schedules, and regular payouts. Earnings on these platforms depend on the type and complexity of the transcription tasks. Transcribe.me is an excellent choice for beginners, with entry-level pay starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour. Rev.com stands out for its diverse content types, with general transcription rates ranging from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. GoTranscript provides versatility, including transcription, subtitling, and translation services, with general transcription rates at approximately 60 cents per audio minute. All three platforms offer opportunities for transcriptionists to transform their skills into a reliable source of income. Transcribe.me's user-friendly setup and flexibility make it an excellent platform for newcomers, but entry-level pay may be modest and task availability can vary. Rev.com's diverse content types and transparent payment structure attract transcriptionists seeking versatility, but low pay rates and a strict review process may pose challenges. GoTranscript's versatility and weekly payment cycle provide appealing options for transcriptionists, but relatively lower pay rates and variable task volume may affect earnings. Transcriptionists can find success on these platforms by understanding their strengths and limitations while leveraging their skills to maximize earnings. As we wrap up this enlightening exploration into the world of transcription as a source of income, we hope you found these websites inspiring and informative. If you're eager to put your typing skills to work and boost your income, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and in-depth guides on enhancing your financial opportunities. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please drop a comment below and join the conversation. Thanks for being part of Cash Chronicles, and until next time, stay inspired and keep making that money work for you.